universe is aimless, random in its collisions and projections. That's what I am trying to show you here. Through metaphor and music sound, that's what this represents to me sonically speaking. Do you know what I mean? I get kind of a terrifying chaotic feeling, but that's kind of innate in the universe, isn't it? This absolute ultimate randomness of aimless collisions and projections, seemingly without any definite end or primeval genesis, just stuff bouncing around pointlessly. And that's wherein I get my cosmic ambivalence and dread. It's sort of a freedom and a damnation, to be so utterly free to be without point, but hopeless when our pain does little to uplift. In the micro scale, even in the micro scale of subatomic physics, it all is just so pointless, endless, but that's ironic, isn't it? Because you can see it's full of points, quite literally I mean, and that's not a joke. The points are the points of ambiguity. Because a point is not really definable other than by itself, isn't it? A circle is a series of convex and convening points. A line is a series of straight points. But a point is just a point, isn't it? All language breaks down into meaningless mush and placeholders when you break it down. So why do we use it so much? I guess why not, huh? Is this for you? Well, I'm not necessarily here to entertain. Everyone can learn to engage themselves, but you are watching the video still. So I guess that pleases me. I'm just here to provide some atmosphere and word for thought so you can come to your own conclusions if any shall be drawn. So that pleases me if you shall remain and be for yourself, I do it too. So that process can begin, this self-learning knowing process.